Transgender woman in downtown Spokane. The two men arrested for the crime admit they made derogatory comments to the victim before she was assaulted. Justine Scamahorn suffered facial injuries when she was assaulted by one man and insulted by another inside Boots Bakery Friday night. Tuesday morning, police released these photos of the suspects, 45-year-old Adam Flippin and 43-year-old Mark Fessler. Within hours, they turned themselves in. KXLY4's John Hendricks working for you now. And John, these two men could be getting out of jail any minute, huh?
They should, Nadine. The judge ordered that they be released on their own recognizance, not have contact with Scamahorn, and not be in the area of Boots Bakery. Now, court documents show that while the victim in this case isn't completely without blame herself, it's the comments that witnesses say that these two made that have them facing charges. Justine Scamahorn watched this afternoon as the two men accused of attacking her Friday night faced a judge.
It was emotional because seeing them sober, and it looks like that they've been dealing with it in their own way.
Adam Flippin charged with assault. He and Mark Fessler with malicious harassment. That charge accuses them of assaulting Scamahorn based on her gender or sexuality. Here's why. Scamahorn says the men insulted her clothing Friday outside of Zola's. Fessler said he told her if she had a better home life, she wouldn't have turned out gay. Witnesses say the insults continue, most too vulgar to say on TV, and Scamahorn admits spitting in Flippin's face. That's when things escalated. The two men followed her into Boots Bakery. A witness says one of the men yelled, "Where is that tranny expletive?" Flippin admits punching Scamahorn in the head, but told police he only hit her once, which doesn't explain how she ended up with multiple facial injuries, including a broken nose, facial fractures, and injuries police are consistent with being kicked in the face. By the time their pictures were released yesterday, the two men knew they had to come forward.
They recognized yesterday morning that they were being sought by police department. Both of them called me. Both of them voluntarily came into my office.
They now face felony charges and will be released without having to post bond. Scamahorn hoping justice is served, but in the right way.
This is my life, but I want them to be able to live their life too. I mean, I don't want it underdone. I don't want it overdone.
These two men will be back in court within the next 2 weeks to be formally arraigned on charges and to enter a plea. Reporting live tonight, John Hendricks, KXLY4 News.